In this video, let me show you how to fix Shazam incorrect song identified error. Now, if you're also having this issue where Shazam is not being able to find the exact song or identifying a song as a different one, this is normally caused due to audio interference or a glitch on your phone. So the first thing that you can do is improve the audio capture. So what I simply mean by that is you need to move your phone closer to the song that is being played, as well as reduce the background noise and make sure that Shazam listens for longer. By following these few steps, you should be able to fix the incorrect song identified error. But however, if this is not the issue with you, this might be the issue of app glitch. So what you can do in this case is head out of the app of Shazam, make sure you remove it from the recent app list, and then what you simply need to do is tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage and tap on the clear cache option. The second thing that you can also try out is try to update the app of Shazam. So head over to the Play Store or the App Store, look for new updates available and see if this fixes the issue. Now, even after doing all of these steps, you're still having this issue, then that simply might be because due to common misidentifications. If you're playing remixes or a sample, Shazam may identify an original track instead of the remix they share. So if you're currently playing a remix, Shazam may have a difficult time identifying the particular song. So in this case, you need to make sure that the song that is playing is not a remix and is a original song. So I do hope this guide video was helpful to you and you were able to solve this issue. If this guide video was helpful, leave a like. That's got to be all for this one. I'm going to see you in the next video.